Whoa, come back! Whoa! Whoa! Oh man, I was just learning about rolling from my friend the Hexagon here. He can roll, and I can roll. He rolls, I roll. How do we roll? It's like, almost like sitting down and then just pushing yourself all the way forwards until you do a circle. Isn't that fun? Let's see where we can roll in here. I can roll on the floor. Whoa! I can roll up mats. Roll all the way up. Oh my gosh, that one's hard. But I can roll backwards. Super easy. I can do a little crawl into a roll. Whoa, but I gotta stop myself before I hit anything. I can even try to roll all the way over big, tall objects. Whoa, but I might get stuck sometimes. I can try to roll down and then up. Down, then up. Whoa. This is exciting stuff. I really like rolling. Do you like rolling? I'm glad. Awesome, let's try to roll over some other objects here. Look, this one's really low to the ground, so I'll make my roll really small. Really small roll. And another really small roll. This kind of looks like a racetrack. I'm gonna roll 2 times very fast. Roll, roll. Whoa, that was fast. Can you go that fast? Of course you can go that fast. Let's try to do a roll all the way up these big blocks. Roll, roll, whoa. Oh, that was a big drop. You gotta be careful for those big drops. You gotta watch where you're rolling. Let's go under, all the way under this Arc de Triomphe, huh? Roll. Gotta stay small so we don't hit it. All right, we did a lot of rolls on the ground. Let's take our rolls up even higher now. We can roll on squishy surfaces. All the way up here, let's roll. Ugh. We can even roll off big surfaces, all the way into the pit. Roll, whoa. Wow, that was a big roll. We can, while in the pit, we can roll over things. And we can roll sideways too. Rolling sideways. We can even roll like a hot dog. Rolling like a hot dog. I bet we could even do a jump and a roll. That's kind of like a flip, right? A jump and a roll. It's like a roll in the air. That's a flip. A roll in the air. Oh my gosh, that's fancy. That is so fancy to do. Let's try to do some more bouncy rolls. This one's called a peanut roll, where we bounce on our back and land all the way back on our feet. Bounce, land on our feet. Man, rolling's fun. I hope you try some rolling too with me. Next time, let's do a lot more rolling. Sound good? Perfect. See you next time.